Select a category.
Foreign language. English. Maths. Social studies. Science. Motor skills. Logic and memory. Fine arts. Foreign language.
Now choose an activity.
Vote, vote, vote!
5,
Choose a number for your vote.
5,
Great job! Let's try this one.
4, 4,
Great job! How about this one?
3, 3,
Great job! Try this challenge.
2, 2,
Great job! How about this one?
1, 1,
Great job! Here's your score. Wow! You are so smart!
10,
Now choose an activity. Catch a number to match the word as soon as possible.
2, 2,
Give me 5.
Let's try this one.
1, 1,
Great job! Try this challenge.
6, 6,
Give me 5.
Try this challenge.
7, 7,
Give me 5.
Try this challenge.
5, 5,
Great job! Here's your score. Wow! You are so smart! Now choose an activity. Wow!
soleil,
Choose a word to match the picture.
soleil,
Give me 5.
Let's try this one.
fleur, fleur,
Give me 5.
How about this one?
vache, vache,
Great job! Let's try this one.
bras, bras,
Give me 5.
How about this one?
table, table,
Give me 5.
Here's your score. Wow! You are so smart! Now choose an activity. Catch an English word to match the French word. Flower. Wonderful. Try this challenge. Catch an English word. Bread. Wonderful. How about this one? Catch an English dog. Wonderful. Let's try this one. Catch an English word to match the bed. Wonderful. How about this one? Catch an English word to match cat. Wonderful. Here's your score. Wow, you are so smart. Now choose an activity.
Lit.
Pick a letter to complete the word.
Lit.
Great job. How about this one?
Pied. Pied.
Give me 5.
How about this one?
Vache. Vache.
Give me 5.
How about this one?
Ballon. Ballon.
Great job. Try this challenge.
Pain. Pain.
Give me 5.
Here's your score. Wow, you are so smart. Now choose an egg.
Uh-oh, the mouse is hungry. Let's feed him.
Soleil.
Pick a letter to complete the word.
Soleil.
Wonderful. Try this challenge.
Fleur. Fleur.
Wonderful. Let's try this one.
Chien. Chien.
Wonderful. Let's try this one.
Bras. Bras.
Wonderful. Try this challenge.
Tigre. Tigre.
Wonderful. Here's your score. Wow, you are so smart.
Vache.
Now choose an activity. Let's make a bridge for the dog.
Chien.
Catch the letters to spell the word. Wonderful. Let's try this one.
Soleil.
Wonderful. Let's try this one.
Ours.
Great job. Try this challenge.
Vache.
Wonderful. Let's try this one.
Dent.
Great job. Here's your score. Wow, you are so smart. Now choose an activity. Choose a picture to learn it in French.
I'm so surprised.
Je suis tellement surprise.
I'm so sorry.
Je suis vraiment désolée.
Hooray!
Hurrah!
wish.
Faisons un vœu.
I'm so happy.
Je suis si heureuse.
Good morning.
Bonjour.
Happy birthday.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Good night.
Bonne nuit.
Thank you.
Merci.
I love you.
Je t'aime.
Great.
Super.
Try again.
Essaie encore.
Bye bye.
Au revoir.
Good morning, teacher.
Bonjour maîtresse.
Nice to meet you.
Ravie de te rencontrer.
Hello.
Salut.
Come in, please.
Entre donc.
I'm so surprised.
Now choose an activity. Want to be a star? Come on!
Essaie encore.
Choose a picture to match the French word.
I love you. Good morning. Try again. Give me 5.
Try this challenge.
Bonne nuit.
Hooray! I'm so... Bye-bye. Good night.
Great job! Try this challenge.
Je suis tellement surprise.
Hello. Great. I'm so surprised. Give me 5.
Try this challenge.
Bonjour.
Thank you. Good morning. Give me 5.
Let's try this one.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Try again. Happy birthday.
Great job! Here's your score. Wow! You are so smart! Now choose an activity.